Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. At the range down, I've got my High Point carbine chambered in 45 ACP. This is the Hunter's version. It does have a digi camo stock and it's all High Point carbine, very popular model. A lot of people like it. I love this gun. The last time I featured it, I had a Conus scope on there. I traded that out for a Vortex Strike Fire red dot. I think that's more appropriate with the 45 ACP. You may notice I have the front post missing. I took it off with the scope. I need to add it back on with this dot so I can co-witness it, but it's a sweet carbine. I absolutely love it. I know they're very popular. People love them. Right around 350 bucks will get you this carbine. But the reason for this review is that this comes with a 9-round magazine in 45, but I picked up a Redball magazine. Now that is the main complaint with the carbines, is that the mag capacity, it's all single stack, and that it's usually 10 rounds or less depending on what model you got. This one's 9, this here is 20 rounds. Cost right around 30 bucks, maybe a little less, at about $8 shipping, and that's what you're looking at. And it does hold 20 rounds. Does have that base plate under there that, you know, gives you, just a nice transition from the grip down to the mag. Basically what I'm doing here is a function test to make sure that this thing works. I think it does. I haven't shot it yet. I just turned on the camera. So let's see how it goes. I do have 20 rounds loaded up of Perfecta target loads, 230 grains. I think this optic is sighted in, not 100% sure. Let's check it out. And a little jam there. All right. And there we go. The bolt locked open. 20 rounds ran through. Not exactly sure what held up there. Just didn't feed all the way. I don't blame that on the mag. I don't even know if I blame it on the gun. Maybe the ammo. Not sure. Maybe just been in a break-in period. Who knows? But it does work, and it just makes this gun more fun at the range. It carries 11 more rounds, right around 30 bucks, and you know, you add the shipping on that, and here you go, Redball mags. All right, I went to redballmag.com or whatever, picked it up, and I'm happy to have it. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.